If you've ever wondered how much a small YouTuber like myself can make doing videos in a garage like this, then this video is for you, and we're going to dive into my analytics and we're going to see exactly what I made in the second half of 2024 when I got monetized. This isn't to brag, but before I got monetized, I watched many videos like this just to see if it was actually worth it as a small creator and see if I could make any money. So in this video, I'm going to pay it forward and I'm going to show you guys what you guys can make as a small creator under 1,500 subscribers. A little backstory on my channel is I've been doing this for about 3 years consistently-ish. I started uploading a bunch of videos and I took a pretty long break, and at the beginning of 2024 I actually really started taking this serious and I tried to start doing one video a week, and that's actually what jump-started my channel. So it actually took me to the beginning of August, about the 11th or 12th of August, to actually get 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. So we're gonna dive into month by month analytics, and I'm gonna show you roughly how many views I got and how much money I made every month, and at the end we'll total them all up to see what I made in 2024. So actually leading up to August, on January 1st, I started posting a little more consistently. And right around March-ish is when I actually started posting really consistency and my views started going up pretty drastically. I made no money up until that point. So actually August 10th, I got monetized and I started actually making money. And you can see through the graph, I floated around the $3 to $4 range with a peak of $4.27 at the end of the month. The views ranged everywhere between 800 to 900 to 1,000 views. So all that rolls over into September. So in September, my daily earnings floated around the $3 to $4 or $5 range. It kind of varies throughout the month. And I actually peaked out at $7.05 on the 22nd. So at the end of September, I actually had $124.76. So that combined with August, I actually did get a payout at the next month. So in October, my daily earnings floated around the $3 to $4 or $5 range and actually picked up towards the end of the month, which started going to the $6 range, $4 range, with a peak at $7.32 actually on the 26th. And this is actually pretty common from what I hear. The ad revenue starts going up as it gets closer to Christmas time. All the advertisers actually want to pay more during that time because everybody's buying for Christmas. At the end of October, I ended up with $132.33, and that also meets the $100 payout threshold. So I got a payment of $132.33 the following month. Going into November, it was floating around the $3 to $5 to $6 range pretty much the whole month. And towards the end, I actually had a video take off that did pretty good. And at the end of the month, I made $12.67 for one day. And that was actually for a complete mystery heater install video that I did, which actually started getting a lot of traction. Not to mention, it was a really long video, so you could put more ads in it as the video played on. So here it actually breaks down some of the videos and how much you made per video. Some of the videos made $2, $1, and the actual top earning videos made 28, 20, 17, 16. And you can see that third one down was actually the one that was starting to take off and got a lot of views. And I made $17.21 off that one video in less than a week. So actually going into December, my views jumped up quite a bit. I was getting 1,500 views-ish every day, and that was because of that heater video that was starting to take off pretty well. So my AdSense per day during December was the best yet, floating around the $10, $11, $12 range, and it actually peaked at like $12 or $14, which is pretty good. The top day was actually $18.39, which was a great day, and it helped out a lot in the total earnings. So at the end of December, I made $346.73, which is an amazing month, and I never expected to get that with under 1,500 subscribers. So that just goes to show you that really you only need one video that's going to take off and make quite a bit of money, and then all the other little videos actually add up and it just compounds over time. So here is from the beginning of when I got monetized. and you can see I made $843.28 throughout the first half of 2024. And as the year went on, the views started going up. I do expect these views to go down coming January, since Christmas will be over with and the advertisers will actually pay less for everything that they're gonna put on for ads for my videos. So I hope this quick little video helped you guys a little bit as far as to see how much you guys can make if you do start a YouTube channel, even with a small audience and small subscriber base. The subscribers really don't matter much. It's really the content which is king. If you get a video that takes off really well, you can get a ton of subscribers and people will want to advertise on it. The RPM varies on my channel anywhere from $6 per every 1,000 views all the way up to 12. It's really not a lot. The DIY niche isn't real crazy as far as how much it's gonna pay, but it's something, and honestly, I'm gonna be out here doing stuff in my garage anyways. Well, why not film it, try to help somebody, and maybe you guys can get some value out of the videos that I make. I'm gonna try and do a video like this once a year at the end. So maybe in January sometime, I'm gonna do one like this just to kind of document how far I've gone. So if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one.